Brought to you by
Envy, the power of French perfume.
Nice perfume. Nice perfume.
Envy, the power of French perfume.
सर कैसा लग रहा है आप नॉमिनेशन फाइल करने जा रहे हैं?
नॉमिनेशन फाइल करने आए कैंडिडेट्स का फाइनल तैयार हुआ है इसमें बिल्कुल प्रेसिडेंट के लिए वाइस प्रेसिडेंट के मेरे देवजीत सेक्रेटरी जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी तेज ट्रेजरर के लिए रघुराम भट्ट और गवर्निंग काउंसिल और एपेक्स काउंसिल मेंबर्स के नाम तय हुए नॉमिनेशन है। एक नई बॉडी बन रही है अगले कार्यकाल के लिए।
सर मिथुन मनास
शुभकामनाएं।
मिथुन
तो मिथुन मनास के लिए तय किया, वो प्लेयर है तो उनको अध्यक्ष बनाना तय किया।
सर वहीं आज देखा जा रहा है कि इंडिया और पाकिस्तान आज मैच भी है, तो देखते हैं सर आप इसमें
तो भारत मैच जीतेंगे सब। आईपीएल के लिए तो पहले ठाकुर
सर तो क्रिकेटिंग बैकग्राउंड जो है वो उनका हेल्प किया ना, मतलब मिथुन मनास का
4 बजे तक नॉमिनेशन टाइम है। नॉमिनेशन ऑनलाइन कर सकता है। तो फ्रॉम व्हिच एंगल इंडिया में कितना स्टेट है? नहीं बीसीसीआई का बहुत ज्यादा है, 38 कितना है वोटिंग में। तो फ्रॉम देयर एनीथिंग कैन कम। 35 है, 35 प्लस यूनिवर्सिटी रेलवेज एंड सर्विसेज, किसी का आ गया तो देयर विल बी इलेक्शन। So till now, I have filed my nomination for secretary, and all the posts of persons are submitting. The process is going on, and the process for the last time for filing of nomination is 4 p.m. So till 4 p.m. we do not know who are the persons who will be submitting the nomination. Till now 7-8 have already submitted. Rest are also in the queue. So I hope by 4 o'clock.
How do you feel being the BCCI reposing faith in you again? Slightly, okay. In the
So after 4 o'clock or maybe from tomorrow when the final list will come out, then only I will be able to reply to your question.
Assuming sir, embargo करके बोलिए।
मैं ऐसे एक ही बोल सकता हूँ कि I have submitted my nomination because I was secretary for last 19 months. Before that I was the joint secretary. So my colleagues wanted that I should file my nomination for a secretary for a repetition because 10-19 months was not sufficient. So that is the reason I have filed it. They have reposed confidence. My Apex Council colleagues and those who have trust on me, they requested me to file this, so I have done it.
And one question, sir, what clinched the position for Mithun Manas?
Sorry?
Mithun Manas for presidency. What do you think has clinched the role for you?
So Mithun Manas has also filed his nomination just in front of me.
Yeah.
So I do not know who else will be filing for the post of president.
बट सर उसका क्रिकेटिंग बैकग्राउंड दैट हैज हेल्प्ड
While submitting their representations, there is no criteria for cricket background, non-cricket background. Everybody who has been entrusted or nominated by their respective state, they can file their representations. So from the representations or from the representatives, the persons who are in the list, final list, they are eligible to file for office bearers or 2 posts of GC's post.
Sir, you are being very politically correct and legally correct. You can say some practically something. Practically.
So you want me to pay non-political or non-legal reply? You want that?
Yes.
No. What I am saying is the correct position. So till now, Mithun Manas has filed for the post of president. I have filed for the post of general secretary. For the treasurer's post, Raghuram Bhatt has filed. Just before me, Rajiv Shukla has just arrived. I think he is also going to file nominations. I do not know what post he is going to file. Then Arunji has just entered, so he will also be filing for some posts. I haven't checked their nomination papers. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
अभी तक कभी वर्ल्ड कप के मैचेस हैं। दिस इज द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड ऑन 30th of September the ICC's Women's World Cup will start from Guwahati. The opening match will be played between India and Sri Lanka, and along with that opening match, ICC as well as BCCI is planning some opening ceremony. And as you all know, recently the youth icon, this musical icon of Assam or the cultural icon of Assam, Jubin Garg has passed away. Today his dead body has arrived. His mortal remains have arrived in Guwahati, and it will be kept for 1 or 2 days for public homage. And there is a huge grief and tragic situation prevailing in Assam. So keeping in consonance with that situation, and as a person who deserves some respect, so Assam Cricket Association, maybe with BCCI, will have a tribute program at the time of opening. So we are trying to have a Jubin Garh. So we are planning some things. By this evening we'll finalize something, or it will crystallize who will be the artists who will pay their respect and tribute to Jubin. But there will be about 40 minutes program in memory and in the name of Jubin Garh. 40 minutes. Along with Shreya Ghoshal will also be there. She has already planned to be a part of it. We are trying to bring some other cultural programs also, but they may not materialize now because 40 minutes we have to devote in the name of Jubin Garh. So that will be a biggest tribute a cricketing fraternity can offer for Jubin.
So this will be on the same day.
Opening ceremony. It will be a part of the opening game, and it will be a part of the
Just before the match.
before the match. Jubin Garh's tribute will be there. During the mid session, Shreya Ghoshal's program will be there.
Okay, like that. Between the lines.
Yes.
And apart from that opening ceremony, if you can give more details of what will happen in the opening ceremony. How are you
Till now, it is still in the planning position. So far as mid-innings part is concerned, Shreya Ghoshal will be performing. She will be performing 4 or 5 of her top hits, along with the theme song of ICC Women's World Cup 2025.
And what do you think are chances, because our team played well,
So you have seen that it was a very keenly contested series which was over yesterday. Australia won by 2-1, but India played extremely well. They could chase 412 by short of few runs. And one match India won handsomely. 102 runs was the victory margin. The other match India lost by 8 wickets. So there is a parity between India and Australia, and Australia is considered to be one of the best team in the women's cricket. And India is catching up. And till now, India has not won any ICC women's trophy. So this is a big opportunity for Indian women's team to do good. And as the matches are being held in India as well as in Sri Lanka, everybody is backing our Indian team. Recently, they have done extremely well in England also. Both T20 and ODI, they have beaten England in England, which is a big achievement for the Indian. So Indian women's cricket has come of age, and I am sure they will make a remarkable performance in the upcoming World Cup.
And BCCI is hoping that elusive rate for the women's.
I hope that the jinx will be broken this time. Thank you.